So guys, welcome to my channel. We got a 2014 Volkswagen CC. This is 2.0 turbo. You can find the engine leaders in one of these stickers, I believe so. Yeah, it doesn't say that. It doesn't say that. But anyways, we're gonna change this engine air filter. It's very simple and easy. It's a whole bunch of bolts. I am gonna probably try to reach that one down there somehow, some way. And I'm gonna show you the size that I have here. Filter's about 22 bucks. Okay, we have any more bolts? No more bolts. So this is a premium guard filter. We're gonna open this up in a moment. But this is a T, meaning torque 25, T25. That's what that is. So this box should open up unless I'm forgetting one down there, but I'm gonna have to get extension for that. So when I got extension, there's one more bolt. There's just too many bolts for this little guy. Okay, probably the engine doesn't have that many bolts. Once you do that, your filter's gonna just lift up just like that. The cover, I mean. This filter you should change about every 15 to 20,000 miles. And along with cabin, but the customer only requested engine air filter. So we're gonna get this new filter. They put a tape on both sides, these parts, guy. Just wanna show you guys the part number before anything. Okay, simple as that. So inside we got a filter in the box, and the filter is universal. You can put it this way, that way, but only thing is this thing gotta go down the long side. And then after that, you simply just put this cover on. Okay, some of these bolts might give us trouble, and some might not give us trouble. That one's kind of giving me trouble right there. There you go. And all you're gonna do is kind of tighten them, but you cannot like bang on them too hard. Once the machine stops, I'll just give it a tap. That one might be stripped from down below. That's it. So this shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to do so. And we got one over here. And we got one over here. Right back here. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next one. There you go. The filter has been changed. This wasn't so bad, but the customer wanted it.